Hi guys. And welcome to another Roblox video. I haven't uploaded a Roblox video for a long time, so sorry for that. Anyway, today we are doing a battle of two devil fruit, which are the Gomo Gomo no Mi or Gum Gum fruit and the Tor Tor no Mi or the Pheonix bird fruit. We will also be mixing melee and sword attacks in the battle to make it more interesting. And if you want more devil fruit PvP, leave a like and comment which fruit should we do PvP with. Or even other ideas for different videos. Let's play. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, leave a like, and for more video from my channel subscribe. My channel I very small, so please help me grow, and see you in the next video.